Welcome to the Grandstream Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add an emergency number in the Grandstream phone system. To start, log in to Grandstream. Click on the Call Features tab, then select Emergency Calls from the drop-down menu. Click on this button to add the emergency information. Enter a name for the emergency number. Type in 911 as your emergency number. Select 3. Significantly urgent as the emergency level, which is the highest setting you can enter. Select SIP Trunks Voxtelesys as the SIP trunk you will use. Check the boxes next to the members you want notified when an emergency call is dialed, then press the arrow button to select them. Click on Save when you're finished. Then click on Apply Changes in the top right corner of the screen to finalize your configuration. Verify your configuration after you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully added an emergency number in the Grandstream phone system. Check back for more helpful guides from Voxtelesys as we post content on a regular basis on our YouTube channel and on our website at voxtelesys.com/tutorials.